Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can change the text color in Zangi Messenger. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open the Zangi Messenger app on your phone, and as soon as you open it, you can see the text. So what you need to do is go to the settings icon on the bottom right hand corner of your screen, and you should see chats. You can either click on chats or you can scroll all the way down and find appearances. So in appearance, you can see the chat color over here. You can choose between this and this color. So you can go ahead and use this function, guys. You can easily change the font color. You can also go to chats and you will find the same function. You can change the text color and make your interface look quite attractive. I hope this video about how you can change the text color in Zangi Messenger was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.